Body language. Body language plays a very important role when it comes to interviews. It is not only what you verbally tell them, but also your non-verbal cues which actually make a lasting impression on the interviewer. A big hello everyone, I am Nisha Tripathi, a recruitment specialist and mentor. Let me give you a few do's and don'ts for your body language during an interview. When you are walking into an interview, it is assumed that as a candidate, you would have definitely read about the company and prepared your questions and answers. But how you actually walk into your interview room, how you sit down, how you talk, your expressions, everything will contribute towards your interview success. Starting with your handshake. Your handshake should be firm with the interviewer, which does not mean that it is going to be so strong that it actually hurts the interviewer. If you are a lady, a gentle handshake will also do. The second thing, eye contact. Eye contact is a very important part of your body language. If you have a panel of interviewers, which means 3 or 4 people who are interviewing you, make sure you have eye contact with each one of them in parts. Of course, in case you are talking or answering a particular question of one of the interviewer, at that moment the eye contact should only be to that interviewer. However, also make sure you are not actually staring into the interviewer's eyes and trying to make him uncomfortable. Eye contact means looking up and looking away in parts. It's only by practice that how you will know exactly how you should do this. Before I move to the next point, let me tell you an interesting fact here. Did you know that many interviewers claim that they can decide on a candidature within the first 30 to 60 seconds? Which actually means that when the candidate is walking in, sitting down, shaking his hands, his eye contact, all of this really matter. So make sure once again that your body language is at the best when you're at your interview. Let me now take you through absolutely not to do things during an interview. These don'ts should be particularly taken care of. The first thing, rubbing your back or your neck even if you have a cramp. This completely shows disinterest. The next thing, rubbing your nose or touching your nose. It is a sign of dishonesty, and of course it's also very gross. The next thing, sitting folded hands in an interview. This is a sign of you being not acceptable to whatever the interviewer is saying. Also, not being honest. Next thing, sitting with your leg crossed and shaking. A sign of nervousness and again a sign of non-acceptability. The next point, leaning onto a wall or onto a door while doing your interview. A complete no. Staring continuously into your interviewer's eyes blankly. A complete no. And the last but not the least, let me give you here a tip as well. Did you know that while giving an interview, you should not sit in the front of the seat, too much towards the back of the seat? You instead should sit towards the center of the seat. When you're sitting too much towards the front, it shows nervousness. Once you're sitting completely behind on your seat with your back well rested, it shows a casual attitude. While if you're sitting towards the center of the seat, that's absolutely the proper way to sit. Moving now to the do's for an interview. These are tips that you must follow related to body language in an interview. First and foremost, while sitting on a chair, make sure you're sitting with slightly leaning forward. Your hands could be on the table but not folded, with open hands. Show that you're interested in the conversation. A gentle smile on your face, a nod here and there whenever the interviewer is explaining something to you. Show positivity and show acceptability. Also, limit the application of perfumes and colognes. Too much of perfumes and colognes could actually lead to a little irritability in the interviewer's mind. Like I already mentioned, eye contact. If it is a number of people taking your interview, make sure you're maintaining eye contact with each one of them, turn by turn. Last but not the least, while you're getting up and going, make sure again there's a firm handshake with a very positive vibe and a smile on your face. I hope that these tips are going to help you. Once again, this is Nishu Tripathi. I'm a recruitment specialist and mentor. I will keep posting such videos again, and I do look forward to your feedback. Do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below. Thank you and take care.